Hello, my babies. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up? Okay, so I asked y'all on Instagram if y'all wanted a YouTube video of this look because y'all went crazy for it. Okay, honey, I was like, period, poo. So I'm just gonna be doing a voiceover today because I didn't really talk during the video. So I was like, we gotta post this on YouTube, okay? Because it was a few times in here where I did mess up. I was struggling a little bit. So y'all will get to see the process, period. I'm just gonna start with my face. I started with my face because I didn't want to get eyeshadow. Like, I didn't know how to do the eyeshadow without doing my face first. If you look at Ragged Royal, I believe is her name on Instagram. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but the trend queen, okay, period. She like had her full face done before she started adding her eyeshadow, just because the bottom of the butterfly shape, it's like, how would you go around that with concealer? So we just did our full face first, which I don't normally do, and it's a struggle in itself. So yeah, we're just doing our brows really quick, and after we fill those in, we're gonna start with the face. Everything that I'm using will be listed down in the description below, and you already saw that I like primed and prepped in the beginning. I just used some of the Vaseline Quench hydrating like serum and some of their setting spray, their like mist stuff. What the heck do you call that? Yeah, mist. And I'm just gonna do my tailor-made Jane method today, her technique to how to apply skin and complexion products. So honestly, I feel like this way you apply way less, to be honest. Even though it'd be looking crazy and it'd be looking like I'm putting on so much product, I kid y'all not. All you have to do is think about how much foundation you put on when you like covering your full face, and then you just put concealer on top and contour on top. This is about the same amount, to be honest, if not less. So you can think what you want, honey, but it's not even that much makeup, okay? I mean, somebody is over there screaming right now like, oh my god, girl, like that's so much, but it's really not. Anyway, anywho, we're gonna just blend everything in. I'm using just a blending brush, a foundation brush, and then I'm using my lip bar. This is like the two-sided brush. I really like this for contour, and then on the other side I like dust away my powder with that. But yeah, so I did do a brush review on the foundation brush that I used to pack in on my foundation, and that's in my last video. So yeah, I really like that foundation brush. It's more firm than the Real Techniques one, but it's like the same shape, so I really loved it. And then this is the velvet sponge from Juno & Co., which I love those because they don't soak up product like a normal beauty sponge. Love it. So yeah, we're just gonna blend everything together, take our time. This takes me a while just because I want it to be seamless. I keep on blending. I'm not gonna just let it look super crazy, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure everything is blended in good. So yeah. As far as my powder goes, if you haven't watched in one of my previous videos, I explained that I love to just pack in a very thin layer first of powder. I'm using translucent powder today. It's like the really white kind, actually, but I love it because it's really neutral. When I kind of want to tone down my skin some, I just packed in a really thin layer first, and then I added a layer on top to bake it, just to brighten up my under eyes a little bit. Because I knew this look was going to be very dramatic. I did want to go dramatic on the skin, honey, okay? So I did add a little bit of blush and all that jazz before I just set this again. And we're going to get into these eyes. So I'm just adding my base on my eyelids. And all of this be seeming, so I'll be like, oh my God, I'm so scared to mess up because I just did my full flipping face. Like, I don't know how y'all don't have anxiety, but I was feeling it, honey. I said, okay, Pooh. But yeah, so I'm using my Carnival palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics. And I used this one and another one. It was the Jamrock palette from Plain Makeup by Yolanda. So I was dipping in a little bit of those colors, but mostly this one. So I'm just creating a shape starting out. I wasn't looking at the girl's picture that I got inspired by. I was just kind of like, okay, I think I can do this. So I just looked at it once, like, all right, I think I got this. So I created the shape on top. It's kind of like pointed towards the end, and then on the bottom pointed as well, like going outward. And then I'm just gonna, after you create that shape, it's like all you gotta do is keep on creating that shape, but just adding your colors in. So I just started lining this purple with blue. I made sure to pack all the colors on really, really nicely because I did want it to be popping. Like, you want your colors to pop, especially before you add the black liner and all that. So I'm getting excited because I'm like, I can see this now. Like, I can see this forming, because I was nervous, y'all. I'm like, I have no idea how she did this. Like, how did these people be this talented? I'd be so confused. But yeah, so I've just added my blue, and then I went in after adding the blue, and I kind of after you establish the colors, you can go back and add some depth. So I started adding deeper purples. I added a different color blue on top. Like, you just want to establish the shape and the colors that you want to use first, and then you can go in and start adding some depth and dimension to what you already have. So I did add a little bit of green. Like, I wanted to incorporate a lot of colors in this, so I was trying to think about what color combination could I do, you know. So I did want to add some green here. So I'm just using a fluffier brush. The fluffier the brush, the more blown out the blend will be. So as soon as your brush is getting really compact, then you know that it's not going to blend well. You're going to use that to pack things on. So I used a fluffier brush to add that green, and I wanted it to start getting blown out and, like, you know, looking more featherish, like a butterfly's wing. And then I took my fluffiest brush and just added a little bit of yellow, like all the way around that green, just again for some more dimension. I did want it to just pop a little bit, so I added some really pretty yellows. Since I said, okay, I'm doing it. Now I'm just using my Vaseline trick that I found from P. Louise when she described what she does before she adds her blank canvas acid rain base. Baby, didn't save my whole life. I've been saying this in my last few videos, like, y'all for sure need to use this hack. I don't know what it is, but it just do something different to your cut crease, honey. And no, it doesn't leave my lid oily or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just basically cutting my crease with the Vaseline, and then taking a very, very this makeup wipe isn't oily. It's really dry. It started out oily, and then I like wringed it out and got some of that like juice out, and then just took all of that Vaseline off, and my lid is not oily at all. And then I'm just adding my acid rain on top. And as you can see, I messed up. It's okay though. Don't panic. Don't freak out. We all do it, y'all. Okay? I calmly just took a clean brush and I just kind of wiped that up. And we gonna keep it pushing, you know what I'm saying? That crap happens to everybody. Like, I kind of just wanted to include my mistakes just because I'm like, look, baby ain't perfect, okay? That was number one out of a few. So just get ready, sis. That one I wasn't scared of, though, because that didn't happen to me before quite often, actually. But yeah, so I just filled in my cut crease, made it nice and sharp, okay? Ready to cut. I'm so sorry. Like, I really do be seeing y'all comments saying I talk way too much. I get excited, okay? Y'all can't even blame me. Like, y'all. Oh, God. I'm really not sorry. Like, I be loving this, okay? I be loving it. But yeah, so I'm adding my my colors on top now. So I'm doing yellow, and then I wanted to incorporate pink for sure. Yellow and pink, but of course you got to add orange in between just to give it some dimension. Dang, what other word to use than dimension? Yeah, dimension, depth. Those are the only two I can think of. But yeah, added some pink, like peach, and then I added the dark pink towards the end, and then I took some more purple. This is like a lighter purple, and just blended the deep purple with that pink. It was looking real cute, okay? It was looking real springtime, summer, lemonade, like bunch of vibes going. So yeah, I just added my glisten pigment from my line. I added that in my inner corner before I started this under eye, which I used the white jumbo pencil from NYX just to add in my waterline and some glitter from Flutter by Ro. I added that right underneath, just a pop. I wanted some type, you already know the glitter had to happen. All right, now we getting into the craziness. So this is where I started messing up. It was the struggle, y'all. Like liner, just, oh my God, I was so scared. I'm like, oh God, right there. There's just a little extra that I was like so mad about, y'all. And then I was like, oh my God, how the heck do I draw this? So my lines started looking crazy. Girl, don't freak out. Don't panic. Y'all didn't see me freak out because I edited that part out, but I did. But it's okay. I just took a little bit of that base and just like cleaned that up a little bit, added the shadow back on top, and it was cool, sis. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got this. We got this. It's fine. Like after that was over, I was like, okay, it's fine. This liner is really sharp too. This is the one from Beauty Bakery. So it wasn't that the liner was hard to use. It was like creating the shape and like trying to just see the shape without looking at anybody's picture. Was like, see, because I was struggling on this one too. I'm like, oh crap, like, and then I needed them to like sort of match, you know, like I didn't want it to look so off. So y'all, I was struggling. This part took me the longest, probably like 20 minutes just for, you know, to draw the liner. I'm like, oh my God. And then this part, oh girl, it was a whole struggle. But after that, you see, everything got easier. Like I knew this part was going to be easy, and I knew from here on out it was going to be easy. So I'm like, okay, thank you, Jesus. Like we got it together. It's fine. Believe in yourself, sis. You got this. Okay. This was a challenge for me. Yeah, so I'm just adding some water into my Suave white base, and then I use my NYX white base, like just the brush. There's no product on there. I like the Suave Beauty white liner better because it doesn't crack as much as this NYX one, but I like the brush on the NYX on the NYX liner. Is that cheating? Like anyway, yeah, I'm just adding my white dots. It makes it look really, really pretty and like a real butterfly's wing. So I really like this concept. I've done plenty of butterfly eyes, like I kid y'all not, I've done a lot. So but this one was really pretty. So yeah, it gave me spring vibes, like we're not quarantined and locked up right now. It's okay, better times are coming. Oh. I'm just adding on my lashes, just popping them on, and I'm gonna pop on my highlighter as well. I use the Diamond Bomb highlighter by Fenty. You already know what's up. That's what makes my face glow like diamonds. I'm gonna say it in every video because someone still be surprised every time, like, oh my God, what do you use for? That's what it is. It's like, I got you. It's the Diamond Bomb Fenty highlighter, and I just apply it like normal highlighter. I don't put it all over my face. I don't like have no setting mist spray, nothing. Just like what I'm doing right here, and then somehow it looks like shine bright. Like it's not literally. That's what it does. And then I just wanted a very subtle like kind of lip, so I just added some red gloss on the inner portion of my lip. Yes, color boss come through, honey. So I just added a little bit in the inner part, and then I'm taking my finger and rubbing that excess you know, like foundation and stuff around my mouth, and I just took some clear gloss, and I was like, oh yeah, yup. Okay, yeah, that's the one. This is the look right here. I said, okay, sis, I was struggling, but we got through it, and I'm like so proud of myself. I hope you all enjoyed this video so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are almost at 100K. Yay!